Addiction is a disorder of the brain. 94% of people with substance use disorder do not receive treatment. And so you're talking about a problem that's impacting a huge number of people, but we're also not reaching those people to treat them. At the Vanderbilt Center for Addiction Research, we have several goals. One of them is basic discovery. How do we understand addiction as a disorder? Another is community outreach and public education. And then the other thing that we do that I think is really special is we train students. We are training the next generation of scientists that are going to leave the Southeast region, and they're going to go all over the world, and they're going to be able to impact this disorder from everywhere, from drug development, industry, policy. And so these students are going to run their own research labs someday. And so what we're doing is we're essentially creating the next generation of innovative, creative people that are going to go out and impact this problem on a larger scale. How do we educate the community that addiction is a brain disorder and explain what confers risk to this disorder to individuals? You see it in the lab and you say, what are the brain mechanisms that control this? But then you also see this in the real world, right? So billboards that have alcohol bottles on them. You pass bars with signs and you start to recognize how much the world around us is triggering for someone suffering from this disorder. Tons of people take drugs and they don't develop a substance use disorder. And so what happens is repeated drug use changes the brain in ways that cause behaviors that are maladaptive. And it allows things that were associated with drugs to cause responses in your body that cause you to want to take drugs again. And so what you do is you learn about where you took the drug, how the drug makes you feel, and this changes the way that your brain functions. So if drugs are acting on your brain in a way that changes how it functions, you need to understand how it functions in a normal state to understand what those drug-induced changes mean for an individual. One of the strengths of where the Vanderbilt Center for Addiction Research is located is our proximity to amazing scientists in an academic setting. We have leaders in the application of technologies like artificial intelligence for disease-based application. And so we have leaders on campus really working on how you take these technologies that have been around for a while and find creative and innovative ways to use them to solve societal problems like addiction. When you have a problem like addiction that impacts us in so many ways, and you're part of the Discovery Vanderbilt community, you can start to have discussions with colleagues leading these different fields and say, how do we tackle this problem? And it may not just be discovering a drug. It may also be policy-based. It might be talking to our legislators. It may be tapping into the arts to really reach communities and explain to people what addiction is and how it feels and how it impacts all of us. And these things are only possible because we are in the Vanderbilt community that brings us all together in a deliberate way.